while Jacques was this horrible instigator who made him do these things. In sentencing, the judge said that unfortunately there is no concrete evidence except the word of somebody else that Brown had committed these murders, except in the case of Richter, but that he doesn't believe Brown's claims that Jacques was the main instigator. As I said earlier, he found him guilty of all the charges against him: accessory to murder, aggravated robbery, and he was sentenced to life imprisonment for the murder of Richter. He was given 60 years prison for accessory to murder. He was given 15 years for the aggravated robbery and 4 years for the illegal possession of a firearm. And that is the sentence he got. He's in his 60s today, but still in prison.